I can minimize. Okay, I can. Hello, good morning, everyone. Good evening. Can you hear me? Can everyone hear me? Eric,
You are not stable. Yes, you are not stable.
maybe it's the issue of internet. I think we sort it. Let me try. Okay, class. Good evening. Today, is everyone in? You can unmute yourself when you are talking. Today, our lesson today, we are going to talk about surveying for civil engineers. Can anyone explain to us what is civil engineering? Mary Kibe.
Simple engineering refers to the building of structures. Yeah.
Yes.
What is road, bridge, airport, dam, river,
Your net is not stable. I can't hear you well. Yes, Mary Gibe has defined for us what is civil engineering. Civil engineering is referring to building of structures and systems in the natural environment, such as engineering projects such as roads. Can you mute your mic, please? Such as roads, bridges, and airports. Now, now that we know what is civil engineering, please we can now go to define survey. Uh, I want Dorcas JDG to define for us what is surveying. Dorcas, can you hear me?
surveying
Yes,
the technique of determining the relative position
yes,
of people positions on the above or beneath the survey.
yes. That's right. Surveying is the technique of determining relative positions of different features. Where can we apply surveying in our daily life? Can anybody explain to us where we can use this surveying in our daily lives for the importance of learning survey? Anyone? Anyone? There are many ways we are using this surveying. For example, you can see the importance there. I've shared with you the importance on the screen. Can you see? Can you see what is on the screen?
Yes, we can see.
Yes. So those are the importance of surveying to civil engineers. Number one is to prepare topographical maps and land survey for the earth. Another important is to measure land, measurements of land. You know, everybody, land is an emotive issue, and you know everybody has concerns about the land. So we use surveying to measure and fix boundaries. Another one we prepare for military operations. This is the earliest discipline, which was before civil engineering came, we had military operations was using this surveying. Then we go, next one is planning for designs for all civil engineers and executing hydrographic, oceanographic checking and mapping. There are many. You have around 15, but I think on your own, you will see others where we can use. Are we together up to there? Class, can you hear me? Okay, okay, okay. Second one, now we can look at the purpose of why are we doing surveying in civil engineering? Eric, why are we doing civil engineering? Why are we doing this thing? Main purposes of I'm asking main purposes of doing civil no of doing surveying in civil engineering. You can see on the screen. You can see on the screen.
Determine the three-dimensional relationship between points of different locations.
What if I may ask? What are those points? If you can name them, three-dimensional points. Which one and which one? Anybody to assist Eric? Gilbert?
The
I'm
three
asking.
points of different locations.
Yes, yes, I'm
That
asking.
is air.
Yes.
Maybe we can say uh, the air being said.
Yes, this one is three. We normally say, yeah, that is correct. We normally say 3D. 3D entails X, Y, and Z. Those are three-dimensional relationship. So we use surveying to determine those three dimensions: X, Y, and Z. Another main point is to identify and calculate such such as distances and angles. Okay. Finally, I want us to look at what the lesson today. We are going to look at the types of surveying. The main, these are the main, but we have more than this. So, Mangesoi, can you read for us number one, if you can see? Mangesoi, are you around? Lillian?
I'm around.
Yes, yes. If you can access your screen, you can tell us
Yes.
the first type of survey.
Okay. Hydrographic surveying is similar to geological surveying, but it maps out coastlines specifically.
That
That one.
yes, yes, correct, correct. I wanted just to know if you can reach your screen because today you are very quiet.
Yes, I can.
Okay, okay. So the
I
main
can.
types,
I can.
the main five types of survey are topographical, aerial, engineering survey, which you people are now you are in the field of engineers, so you'll be using number three mainly. Then there's cadastral surveying. Cadastral survey is for measurements of lands. Then the hydrographic, which Mangesoya have explained to us. So class today we will end there, and I'm giving you an assignment to go and read more about types of survey. There are about 10. So you have uh, we'll go and do other five. Is that clear?
Yes.
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 Okay. Any question? Okay. Have a nice evening, and thank you for attending the class today.
Nice evening. Evening.